Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a YouTube QR code on your TV and sign into your account in the easiest way. So let's get started. First, open YouTube on your smart TV. Once YouTube opens, go to the account section or profile icon on the left or top side of the screen. Now tap on Add Account. After that, a QR code will appear on your TV screen. Next, take your mobile phone and open the camera app. Point your camera at the QR code displayed on the TV screen. After a moment, your phone will detect the QR code and show a link. Tap on the link to open it. The link will take you to YouTube's sign-in page. Here, tap on Sign in with current account if you are already logged into the Google account you want to use. Now tap on Continue. YouTube will ask for permission to connect your account to the TV. Tap on Connect or Allow. Wait a few seconds while YouTube links your account. Now look back at your TV. You will see your Google account appear on the screen. Simply select that account, and your YouTube account will be signed in successfully on the TV. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.